Okay, welcome to Cooking with BigPatMans. Today we're going to make some corn fritters. So first we're going to do is get 1 cup of flour, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar depending on your preference. And what we're going to do is whisk that all together. It's very easy, not many ingredients at all. And who doesn't love a good corn fritter? You never had one? I advise you try it. Okay, to that we have 1/2 cup of milk, 1 egg with 1/2 cup of milk, combine that together. And we're going to add 1.5 tablespoons of butter, melted butter. Make sure it's not hot, you'll cook your egg. And we're going to mix that all together. And what we're going to do is pour it into our 1 cup of flour and mix that all around, so we get a nice batter going. You really don't want to overmix this, you just want to incorporate that flour. And to that, we're going to add our corn. You can use canned corn, drain it, dry it. I'm using frozen corn. You can use corn on the cob. You can use Mexican corn. Whatever your preference is. And we're going to mix that all together. Meanwhile, heat your oil up. Use a high temperature oil, vegetable oil, to about 365 to 370. All right, that's ready to go. And we're going to add that to our hot oil. Okay, we'll start adding our mixture to our hot oil until they're nice and golden brown. Be very careful, you don't want grease splattering in your face. And you don't want to overcrowd them either. They're like little corn nuggets. Oh, maybe one more. Okay, these are looking good. They're ready to come out. We're going to take these out and put them on a wire rack and let them cool off carefully. Always remember you're working with hot grease. Now we're going to add some more. And we'll just keep on repeating it till we're done, till we finish our batter. Okay, there you have it. And we also got our taste tester here, Little Hands, and he's going to give it a shot. See if they taste like they are like at the fairs and amusement parks.
Yummy. That's pretty good.
Is it?
Look good. You get the corn nice and yellowy, golden.
They are, but they're good. Especially if you want to dip them in some syrup or something like that.
Yep.
Maple syrup. Okay, and there you have it. Keep it moving, keep it flowing. Thank you for watching.